If I only had 3 minutes with you, enough time to plant one seed. Here it is. Thinking is the slowest form of fear. Let that sit with you. You call it analyzing, you call it being careful, you call it waiting for the right time. But if we strip it down to its core, most overthinking is just fear, moving in slow motion. Fear doesn't always scream. Sometimes it whispers, wait a little longer, research a bit more. What if it goes wrong? What will people think? And while you are thinking, life is moving. Opportunities are passing, confidence is shrinking, momentum is dying quietly. Understand this. Your brain is designed to protect you, not to grow you. Growth requires uncertainty. Your mind hates uncertainty. So it creates endless loops of thought to keep you safe. But safe is not the same as alive. The dream you keep playing in your head, it doesn't need more thought. It needs movement. You don't think your way into confidence, you act your way into it. You don't think your way into courage, you step into it. And yes, action feels uncomfortable. Yes, your heart may race. Yes, your voice may shake. But that shaking, that's not weakness. That's growth trying to break through comfort. Every minute you spend overthinking is a minute you train yourself to hesitate, and hesitation becomes identity. You start believing, maybe I'm not ready, maybe I'm not capable, maybe this is not for me. No, you are just stuck in analysis. The most powerful people you admire, they don't have less fear, they just move faster than it. They feel it and move, they doubt and move, they question and move, because they understand something most people don't. Action silence fear, thinking feeds it. Right now, there is something you have been circling in your mind, a call, a project, a decision, a risk, and your brain keeps saying, let's think about it. No, let's move. Not recklessly, not blindly, but bravely. Take one imperfect step, break the loop, interrupt the pattern, prove to yourself that fear doesn't get the final vote. Say this with me. I refuse to hide behind overthinking. I take bold action without overanalyzing. Fear moves slowly, courage moves now, and today you moved. Before you leave this moment, understand something clearly. Overthinking feels productive, but it really produces results. It gives you the illusion of control, it makes you feel responsible, but deep down, it's just fear asking for more time. And fear will always ask for more time. So, today, don't promise yourself a perfect plan. Don't promise yourself a flawless execution. Promise yourself movement, even a small decision, even a small action, even a small risk. Because the moment you move, the loop breaks, the fog lifts, the fear shrinks. You don't defeat fear by arguing with it, you defeat fear by outpacing it. So, as you step back into your day, remember, thinking is slow, courage is immediate. Choose immediate. Say it with strength. I refuse to hide behind overthinking. I take bold action without fear controlling me. And today, you moved forward anyway. Thank you for being here.